October 23, November 21, you're just jealous. All the time.
Scorpio is a powerful astrological sign that takes on the personality of a scorpion. And, well, as everyone knows, scorpions come equipped with a rather nasty stinger. You're calm and quiet, but you get jealous over literally everything, Scorpio. Taking your powerful stinger and using it to drill a hole into whatever stands in your way. You're often cruel to those you become envious of, and you can hold a grudge for eternity. It's easy for you to ruin relationships over a simple disagreement, and you're not eager to make amends with anyone anytime soon.
Libra, September 23, October 22, a codependent cluster of emotions.
You always feel the need to be around someone, Libra, otherwise your life just isn't in balance. You feel like being around others gives you a more introspective perception of yourself, however. You're prone to indulging in the art of throwing pity parties for yourself, but only when you're in an emotional state. For example, if you feel like someone has treated you wrongfully. Otherwise, you're totally chill. You actually prefer harmony over discourse, and you're always down to socialize. Libras are masters at avoiding turbulent situations, so given the option, they'll go with the flow rather than cause a fight.
Virgo, August 23, September 22, the intellectual perfectionist.
As a Virgo, you care more about intellectual stimulation than you do about making a fuss over anything. Drama just isn't your thing, but timeliness and organization are built into your essence. Unfortunately, your nitpicking, coupled with your introverted demeanor and the way you hold yourself in high regard, might make you come off as conceited, selfish, and bossy to others. In their defense, your determination for perfection does make you a bit demanding, but it's only because you value the efforts that you put into your work. You need to stay on track and on top of things to feel at ease, but others might find you more enjoyable to be around if you relax and give them some slack.
Leo, July 23, August 22, you're a complete diva.
Wow, OMG, look, it's Leo again. Your hair looks great. You have the best personality. It's so awesome just to bask in your presence. This is the only acceptable way to greet you, Leo, because anything else simply does not express the glory of your presence on this planet. The complete center of attention, you're the biggest diva around. You're the embodiment of the sun, and just like how the planets in the solar system circle the big, bright fireball, you insist that others revolve around you. If attention slips away from you for even a second, a whirlwind of drama is bound to erupt. Feel free to tone it down a bit. More Leo, July 23, August 22, 5 of 12. What medieval armament you should wield, based on your Zodiac. 5 of 12 things you suck at, according to your Zodiac sign. 5 of 12. Which Spider-Man villain are you according to your Zodiac?
Cancer, June 21, July 22, you're either cool or an emotional mess.
Oh, you sweet, fragile crap. On one hand, you're loving, charismatic, and oh so caring on the other. You're wishy-washy and insecure. You're not high maintenance in the sense that things have to go your way, but you're certainly not above pouting and guilt-tripping others if you're in a mood. Typically a chill personality that goes with the flow, your friends might feel as if they have to walk on eggshells around you, since anything that makes you feel inferior is straight up offensive.
Gemini, May 21, June 20, relaxed, fun, and a little exhausting.
You're a smart, funny, expressive companion to have, Gemini. The importance of communication in your life makes you easy to talk to, and your compassionate nature just emits easygoing vibes wherever you go. You've proven countless times that you don't have any problems making friends. The one problem with this is that you can flip-flop between hot and cold, leaving people unsure where they stand with you. Having to constantly gauge what personality you're going to treat them to on any particular occasion can be exhausting. Maybe try to find a middle ground so people aren't constantly wondering which you they'll be talking to that day. Or Gemini, May 21, June 20. The best movies for Geminis. 3 of 12. What medieval armament you should wield, based on your zodiac. 3 of 12 things you suck at, according to your zodiac sign.
Taurus, April 20, May 20. A stingy and stubborn bull.
Taurus, April 20, May 20. A stingy and stubborn bull.
Aries, March 21, April 19. You're moody with a thirst for entertainment.
Aries, March 21, April 19. You're moody with a thirst for entertainment.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.